Okay, buddy? So Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Now, as I said earlier, Jumbo is a very special bird. You want to know why? Now, we have prepared two sets of tests for Jumbo. And we have here the horse, zebra, and a camel. Now, everyone, I need you to choose one animal picture. What would it be? Again, I can hear you. Say it louder. Okay, so I think I hear here zebra. Let's proceed zebra with Miss Zon. So our bird trainer arranging the Jumbo letters. Let's proceed here to Miss Debbie. So ask questions about Jumbo. So hi Miss Debbie, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. Now Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Wow, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so I think we're all set and ready. Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the zebra word correctly? Okay, buddy? First letter, please. He picks up the letter Z for the next one. He picks up the letter E for the next letter. He picks up the letter B. Good bird. Next letter. He picks up the letter R. Last one, buddy. He picks up the letter A. Now, zebra spells Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct?
Yes.
Alright, now since Jumbo did well on the first test, we will make it more difficult.
Oh no.